Hello and welcome to the Enchanted Escapes travel tutorial on My Disney Experience and how to get started with planning your vacation within your Disney account. I'm Stacey Anderson, the owner of Enchanted Escapes Travel. I appreciate you allowing us to book your vacation, and now we are ready to help you take it to the next level. So you've booked your vacation, now what? You have a reservation number, now what? First thing we need to do is make sure that you have a Disney account online. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to disneyworld.com. If you already have an account, whether it be through Disney Plus or Shop Disney, you will be utilizing that same login on the disneyworld.com website. Okay, so if you need to create one, you will just go right here where it says sign in or create, and you will create an account. Once you create your account, you're going to sign in, and then I will show you exactly where that reservation needs to go to link to your account so the planning can begin. So up here at the top, you will see My Disney Experience. When you first open up the website and it starts loading, you're going to see that there's going to be promos, commercials, different things of starting to plan, percentages off. And this is all Disney's way of getting you to their property and telling you what is going on right now. We've already done that. We've helped you do that. We've retrieved your reservation number. We've gotten that for you. Now we need to go to My Disney Experience. This tab right here is going to be your lifeline in your Disney account, okay? So you're gonna click that My Disney Experience, or you can just come down here and go to My Plans. So when you go to My Plans, it's going to show all the plans that are currently scheduled in your account, okay? So I am in my account and I do not mind showing you what's going on. So here's the park availability. So you can always check to see what parks still have availability and which ones are sold out. As of right now, it's looking like May and June. Hollywood Studios is just about gone. But we're going to go past that because we need to link your resort hotel. Okay. So in order to do that, you're going to need to go to this second little option. Right here will be blank for you if this is a new account or you do not have a reservation currently linked in the system. You're going to go right here. This will be empty. So you will go right here to link a reservation. And you're going to grab that confirmation number that you received from your travel advisor or one that was emailed to you. You're going to go and put that confirmation number right here, last name of the lead guest that is on that reservation. And then you are going to click next. It's going to ask you to verify, and it's going to go on and load in your account. Well, I don't want to do that because I do not have, unfortunately, another reservation to link. So I'm going to go on and get back out of that. And that is how you're going to link your resort hotel. So what's going to happen is once it links, it's also going to bring in the components of your vacation, meaning your park tickets will be there. If you are one of our clients that did add in park hoppers or just a base ticket, it will also show up once you link your reservation. All right. So right now, I do have a reservation with my mom and we are planned for November. So when I put in, I had a room only. So I went on and put in the room only. So that's why my mom only has the room here and I have a room here. I already have tickets for November. So I linked my tickets already, which I'll show you how to do that in just one moment. I've already linked my tickets and I still need to get mom tickets for November, which is why you'll see right here is blank. Now we both have our dining blank. That is because we cannot get dining just yet because it's not 60 days. Even though your dining may say reserve now, it's not going to allow you to reserve any dining until you are 60 days from arrival. Okay, so I've got quite some time before I can get our dining for November. Okay, so then once you move down here and you notice you see these two names here, I've got Josephine and Mima added onto this. They are not on my reservation, but because I am linked with them in my family and friends, and I have allowed them to see our plans because we do share different reservations and pictures while we are on vacation. We have been on vacation together recently, so that is why they are showing. So they are not my travel partners in November, but they will always show as long as I have given them access to see what is in my account. So for once you get it linked, and then you've got your tickets also linked, you're going to see that we've got, this is where it's going to show what passes have already been booked. And I'm going to scroll down here to November because I already have. All right, so here we go. So November, it's showing that I am already scheduled and it is linked in here with my mom. So we're going to stay one night over at the Caribbean beach, and then we're going to move over to the Riviera for the remaining nights. So I already have park passes because I already bought my ticket. So my park passes already show that I have Epcot, and then I've got my Animal Kingdom book, my Hollywood Studios, and then I also have the Magic Kingdom book for the 23rd. Okay, so that is where it's going to show your park passes. Okay, so we've already got it linked. So once again, let me show you about that. You're going to go right here to My Disney Experience. You're going to go to My Plans. It's going to bring you to this page, Resort Hotel, link a reservation. And once that reservation is linked, it will pop up and generate everybody that is in on those reservations. Now, if you are traveling with a family member, you would also link, and when my family travels, I always link everybody within one account. It just, to me, it makes it easier when planning on dining, and when fast passes hopefully come back, it's much easier to just grab fast passes all at one time. So pre-COVID, we did grab all of our dining fast passes. Everything was all together. So all I would do if I was going with my sister, I would go back over here to link a reservation. I would then put in her reservation number, last name of guest traveling, the lead guest, and then it would populate and put all her information with my niece and nephew all in here. Okay, so that is where you will see your park reservation, your tickets that are there, your resort reservation is there. Dining, this will be eventually filled in once I hit our 60 days and my reservations are planned. Okay, so that is how you link your reservation into your account. Be making more tutorials on how to grab your dining and adding in your family and friends, so stay tuned for that. But once again, make sure that you do have your Disney account created. Once you're in on your account, go to your Lifeline, which is right here, My Disney Experience, head into My Plans, and then you will go on and link reservation. Okay, if you ever need to find out if a park is available and you are unsure and you don't want to open up a second tab or not sure how to get to it, you're going to be select resort hotels. Okay, because we do have a package with the Walt Disney Travel Company. So right now we are seeing April. You can always go through and see what it's looking like for the month of travel. So we've got April, May's coming up. As you can see, only some parks are available. First, Magic Kingdom. So how you read this is on the first, I've already clicked this. We've got Magic Kingdom is now unavailable. Hollywood Studios now unavailable, because remember, Disney World is at a fixed capacity, and once those tickets are given out, they do not open up any new tickets to grab. So if it is unavailable today, the only way that you would be able to get into the Magic Kingdom is if somebody on the first decides that they're not going to the Magic Kingdom, they want to switch over to Epcot that day. It will free up their park tickets in here, availability in here, and most likely within seconds it will be gone. So that's how you read that, and you can go all the way through. So if I wanted to go through to see, well, what is November looking like so far? Right now we are green across the board. That means everything has availability. All parks are available. Okay, so that is going to be, and if you're just theme park ticket only, no resort reservation, same thing, same way to read it. You can scroll through and see what's available and what's not for even just tickets only. Okay, so once you see that, there's nowhere to go back. So what you do, this is just actually opened up in a new tab. Let's go on and get out of that tab. Now we're back to our main page, and we're back to My Disney Experience and the planning process. So remember, if you have any questions, Feel free to contact us at any time. Contact your travel advisor that booked your vacation. We appreciate you. We appreciate your family, and we look forward to hearing all the great things and the magic that happens on your vacations. Stay tuned for more tutorials. And if you ever need anything, please do not hesitate to call 713-962-4708, or you're free to contact me directly at stacy@enchanted-escapes.com. And you can always visit our website for more information and most up-to-date promotions given by Disney. Hope you have a great day. Thank you again, and stay tuned for more.